A retrospective in Azure DevOps allows teams to reflect on past sprints, projects, or milestones, identify successes, and discuss areas for improvement. This helps teams continuously improve their processes and workflows. Access Azure DevOps. Log into Azure DevOps. Navigate to dev.azure.com. Navigate to Boards. Click on Boards from the left-hand menu. Create a new retrospective. Select Backlogs. Under Boards, select Backlogs to view past sprints or projects. Choose Sprint or Project. Select the sprint or project for which you want to hold a retrospective. Organize retrospective discussions. Create a new retrospective. Click on New Retrospective or Add New Work Item to create a retrospective. Define topics. Add discussion topics such as what went well, what could be improved, what should we do differently next time. Gather feedback. Invite team members. Share the retrospective with the team and allow team members to add feedback through comments. Review data. Review insights from completed sprints, feedback from team members, and any associated metrics. Discuss and take action. Facilitate discussion. Discuss each topic to reach a consensus on actionable items. Create action items. Transform key insights into actionable steps by creating work items or tasks within Azure DevOps to track progress. Follow up. Ensure that action items from the retrospective are assigned, tracked, and reviewed in future sprints or projects.